Well, it's another interesting day here at Pirates Cove. Something we don't get to do very often, and that is good old-fashioned unboxing. I am super excited to show you what's in here because I'm pretty sure it's a very, very cool surprise. All right, let's get to tearing this dude open. I'm actually opening the bottom of the box just to keep the seller's address private, and of course my own. This dude was not playing. He put this thing on here right. Look at that. My God. Glad I kept these scissors around. Definitely going to need them. All right. It's a box within a box. It's always exciting. You gotta love a box within a box. And paper! And more paper. And another box. Okay, we'll get the big box out of the way. Start dealing with what's underneath of it. And some of you already know what this is. Some of you folks already know. One of the most coveted items and hardest to come by. Unless you want to pay full price or get something that's not used. I prefer used stuff when it comes to these items. But look at this. Finally, a beautiful tabletop tuck cutter. Cleaned up, refurbished. Beautiful. Brass, nice and heavy. From Jose Luis Industrial Tobacco Machine in the Dominican Republic. So yeah, this is why I watch eBay constantly, like an absolute hawk. But this thing is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to take a Allen key to loosen that guy up. But it's a little over 9 inches, I think that's what it was. Where'd my tape measure? Where'd it go? Oh, it's almost 10. Wow. That would be, it's a long cigar. But anyway, folks, thought it was kind of cool. Figured I'd share it with you. Like I said, you starting out cigar rollers, you don't need this, but it definitely makes your cuts cleaner. This one's much newer than the one I use all the time. This one's from, like I said, late 1800s in Ybor, came with the board. This is more of a commercial, probably less than 10 years old. But I was happy to grab it up. I needed a set to be able to take on the road. So here we go. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. We will be live this Thursday night, at least for a little while. I don't know what we're going to do. I'm in the middle of some other stuff. But how would you guys have a wonderful week? And we'll talk soon. All right. Be good to each other. Be good to yourselves. Talk to you later, folks. See ya.